Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can get your funnel link. So first you can click on this funnels tab here. After that you will choose the funnel that you are working on. So if you want to get the link for certain step, it's really simple. You can locate to that page, right? Each page like this. And if you want to get the link for the page, you can just go here and copy this link. It's really simple. Just click on this link button here. Click on that and it will copy for you. Or you can go to funnel step. You can open it in a new tab. And after that, you can copy the link for the step. Okay, just click on this one. View funnel step, open on a new tab. And it will be here and you can copy that link. It's really simple, guys. If you want any link, you can just click on that step like this, then click on this one.